You ever meet someone who's always a bit off? They forget deadlines, ask the same questions twice, seem kinda slow. You laugh it off. You stop seeing them as competition, but then suddenly, they're ahead of you. They get the deal, the promotion, the power. It's a classic strategy, controlled weakness. By appearing clumsy, passive, or distracted, you lower the defenses of everyone around you. They relax, they talk too much, they stop watching you. Meanwhile, you're quietly listening, positioning, planning, collecting information, and when the moment's right, you make the move no one saw coming. That's exactly how Talleyrand, the French diplomat, survived revolutions, kings, and emperors. He acted slow, almost lazy. People thought he was irrelevant, but behind the scenes, he was manipulating everyone, signing secret treaties, shifting alliances, even betraying Napoleon at just the right time. By the time they realized what he'd done, it was already too late. He was still standing, and they were gone. You think honesty builds trust, especially when it comes to what you want, but revealing your true desires is the fastest way to lose power, because the moment they know what you want, they own you. Power is about leverage, and leverage comes from mystery. The second someone sees what you really want, your intentions, your goals, your weak spot, they can manipulate you. They can withhold it, raise the price, use it as bait, or worse, destroy it. Think about poker. The worst player is the one showing their hand, not because their cards are bad, but because everyone knows how to play them. This applies everywhere, in business, in relationships, in negotiations. When your desires are visible, you're exposed. When they're hidden, you remain unreadable, unpredictable, dangerous. Psychologists call this strategic ambiguity. It creates cognitive tension. People don't know where you stand, and that makes them cautious, more generous, more afraid to cross you. So here's how you use it. Act like you're interested in something else. Let them chase shadows, because when people don't know what move you're making, they can't block it.
Every time you receive criticism, you crumble. You start justifying yourself, explaining your actions, and enduring your actions. Doing so you maneuver yourself into a position of weakness. But criticism doesn't have to destroy you. There's a secret technique you can use to turn it into your greatest weapon. It's called strategic controversy. When you receive negative feedback, the instinct is to explain yourself, justify your actions or apologize. But that makes you appear weak and reactive. Instead, acknowledge the criticism without defending yourself and turn it into a conversation. Rather than saying, "I've done that because. Try this. Thanks for sharing. I'd love to hear more about how you came to that conclusion." This shifts the narrative. Now the other person needs to justify their position instead of you. You're the one asking the questions. They're the ones who have to react. And 90% of people's opinions are based on nothing more than assumptions or emotions. After just 3 to 5 why questions, their entire stance crumbles. This leaves them with 2 options. Back down and retract their criticism, or dig in, get emotional, and make mistakes. In both cases, you win.